Okay, y'all, today we are making sweet potato dump cake. This is an easy fall dessert recipe that you are sure to love. So in my bowl, I started with 5 sweet potatoes. They were kind of small. If you have larger ones, you can probably get away with using 3. I also added a cup of sugar and 3/4 cup of evaporated milk. I also sprinkled in some nutmeg. I didn't actually measure, probably about 1/8 to maybe 1/4 of a teaspoon, and then about a teaspoon of cinnamon, because those flavors combined with these sweet potatoes will really kick it up for fall flavor, right? Also, I'm adding in a 1/2 stick of melted butter. Now I'm gonna kick it up with my homemade spiced rum vanilla. I added 2 whole tablespoons. It sounds like a lot, but it's gonna really enhance the flavor of this sweet potato mixture, okay? So once you get everything added into your bowl, you're just gonna take a hand mixer, mix it all together until your batter is nice and smooth. This will be the first layer of your dump cake. And you just want to mix it until your ingredients are well incorporated and your sweet potatoes are nice and smooth. So now I'm just spraying a 9 by 13 inch baking dish that I'm going to go ahead and put my sweet potato mixture in. This is the first layer. You're going to get it into your pan, and then you want to just smooth it out to make an even layer. Okay, now that that's done, we're going to start on our next layer, which is our cream cheese layer. All you're going to need for this is 1 block of cream cheese that has been softened to room temperature, and a can of sweetened condensed milk. You're going to put that in your mixing bowl and blend it together until it's nice and smooth. Okay, so once you get your cream cheese nice and smooth, you're going to go ahead and add this to the top of your sweet potato layer. Alright, and then you just smooth this right on top, all the way to the edges. Make sure you cover as much of the sweet potato layer as you can. Okay, now here comes the magic. We're going to use a gingerbread cake mix, alright? We're going to sprinkle this all over the top of our cream cheese layer. Now, if you don't like gingerbread, you can feel free to use yellow cake or butter cake or whatever you like. But I think this is what really makes this dump cake special, and it's gonna make it really taste like fall. So you want to just make sure you get it spread evenly over the cream cheese layer. And I have a few clumps in here, so I'm gonna go ahead, of course, and break those down and then smooth it on top before I go to the next step. Now that that is done, we're going to go ahead and put some cold slices of butter all over the top. Now, I am going to use a stick and a half of stick that was left from our melted butter that we put in our sweet potato layer, and then I'm going to use another stick. So you will need a stick and a half for the top. So I'm just going to get this cut up and get the pieces put all over the top of the cake. And I did have just a small piece of butter left, so I'm just chopping that up in small pieces and placing it on top of the cake where there were open spaces. Okay? Last but not least, I'm going to sprinkle some more cinnamon on top, as well as a little bit of sugar. Okay, now that that's done, I'm going to go ahead and cover this with foil. My oven is preheated to 350 degrees. If I didn't say that before, I'm going to let this bake for 30 minutes covered. I will remove the foil and let it bake another 30 minutes. Alright, after 1 hour of baking, this is what we have. It is done, and y'all, it smells so good in here. Y'all, I don't think this dessert could have turned out any more perfect. I mean, just look at it. It has a beautiful golden brown crust on top. Now, this was quick and it was easy, and I think you guys should really give this a try. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, as I will be bringing you more fall desserts. And don't forget to like and comment, and please share the video with your family, friends, and loved ones. Alright, as you can see, I've already started serving this up, and I did have a little taste, and it is so good, y'all. Alright, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye.